We're going to look at minute 89. Let's read the directions for numbers 1 through 6. Write the words in the box in ABC order. So we look at the first letter. We have an S, a B, a W, another S. So we're going to look at the second letter for those, a U, and a T. A, B. So we write our first word that is beach, cross it out. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. We have S-H and we have S-A. We know A comes before H, so we have sand and then shells. Both of our S words, though, have to go together. S-T, we have towel, and cross it out. U, we have umbrella. Please make sure you spell it correctly. It is right at the top of your paper. And the last one would be water. And cross both of those out. Now let's look at the bottom. For numbers 7 through 10, write each set of words in ABC order. So on the first one we have all of them start with BL. So we're going to go to the third letter, U, A, and E. A comes first, so black is our first word. We put a comma because we're going to be listing our words here. E is next, so our next word is bleed. Another comma, and our last word is blue. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay, again, we have all CH words. So we're going to go to our third letter. We have an A, an E, and an I. A is first, so champ is our first word with a comma. E is next, so we have cheap next with a comma. And chirp is last. Those were already in order. Next we have STR, STR, STR. So this time we're going to our fourth letter, I, U, and O. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So stripe is our first word, comma. J, K, L, M, N, O. Strong is our next word, comma, and our last word is struck. And the last one, let's look at BR, 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 E, A, I. A is first, so brain is our first word. Breathe is our next word. And bring is our final word. Let's turn it over and look at math. Name the solid. This looks like an upside down ice cream cone. 23 times 3. Remember we multiply down first. 3 times 3 is 9. Then we multiply across. 2 times 3 is 6. If you don't know that, you go 23 plus 23 plus 23. 3, 6, 9. 2, 4, 6. Either way, you get 69. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 8, 9, 10. 0. Carry the 1. 8, 9. 9,008. 2 quarters is 50 cents. 2 nickels is 10 cents. 50 plus 10 is 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I need 6 dimes to get 60 cents. Ellen read 15 pages in 1 hour. Last night she read for 2 hours. How many pages did she read altogether? So she read 15 pages in 1 hour. So in 2 hours we're going to add 15 more pages. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3. She would read 30 pages. 5 times what is 45? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 5 times 9 is 45. 48 divided by 8. I know 6 times 8 is 48. So I know my answer is 6. Some of you may need to still draw the circles and count up to 48. 4 minus 7. I cannot take 7 from 4. So I borrow from the 1. The 1 becomes a 0. 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 7 is 7. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 9 minus 7 is also 2. Now we're going to look and see how much time has passed. 5:15 to 7:30. Well, if I draw my line, start with 5:15. 1 hour would be 6:15. 2 hours would be 7:15. And I can't go to 8:15 because that would be too far. I only have to go to 8:30. So here's 1 hour plus 1 hour is 2 hours. 7:15 to 7:30. Well, let's go 5 minutes would be 7:20. 5 minutes would be 7:25. And 5 minutes would be 7:30. 5, 10, 15 minutes. So it is 2 hours and 15 minutes. Now, let's look at 9:20 to 11:40. If I start at 9:20, I can go 1 hour, and that's 10:20. I can go another hour, that's 11:20. I cannot go any farther, though, so it's just 2 hours. 20. 20 plus 10 is 11:30, and plus 10 more is 11:40. 10 plus 10 is 20. So it's 2 hours and 20 minutes. Make sure that you are showing whether you did it with the timeline or whether you did it with a T-chart, but make sure you show on the bottom here. Your teacher will be looking to see how you figured this out. Make sure you always show your work, show your teacher, put it in your cubby, and go to Lexia Core 5.